The Lumberjack DP16-1050B 16mm benchtop drill press, a powerful 600-watt motor, a 12-speed adjustable belt system with a speed range of 180, 2740 rpm, fitted with a quick stop button, can hold up to 16mm bits, spindle travel distance of 80mm, a large adjustable cast iron table with a size of 254 by 254 mm, can also be tilted left and right from 0 to 45 degrees, adjustable table height by the rack and pinion system, large base of 456 by 275 mm, overall height is 1050 mm, ideal for drilling wood, metal, plastic and more, clear chuck guard for accurate drilling, and ergonomic rubber handles for excellent grip. In the box you will find a tabletop, a column, a base, a chuck and chuck key, a chuck guard.